We're part of LISI Group. LISI Group has three divisions. There's automotive, medical and aerospace, and we're part of the aerospace division. So we make titanium fasteners mainly for the airframe. We moved to this site in the 1980s. In 2002 is when we were rebranded as LISI Aerospace. I joined LISI Aerospace in 2009 as a production manager in our plating department, and then spent about 10 years moving around the factory, learning the different parts of the manufacturing processes. And in 2020 I was promoted to the general manager position. I like the environment, I like the people, and I liked the fact that I could see what I'd contributed, what I'd done. So the roles in the factory cover all the usual office-based roles in admin, HR, finance, sales. Out on the shop floor, there's a lot of different machinist type roles. In addition to that, there are engineers, production quality engineers, process engineers, supervisory roles and managerial roles. We have a number of new roles that we've introduced over the past few years, particularly around the process development side of things, as we develop the technology we have on site towards an Industry 4.0 smart factory model. So automation, the Internet of Things, augmented reality, everything that's involved with taking the factory and the technology to that next level. So for the first time ever, we have gained £1 million worth of funding from the government to push our research and development around the smart factory features forward. And that is the sole focus of the process development department. One of the most rewarding elements of my job is to be able to help people along their career path. So for example, 2 members of the senior management team started their career here as machine operators, and I'm extremely proud to have been able to give them the opportunity to develop their career to that level.
My journey into HR manager, I started a HR degree at Huddersfield University, which then from there I gained the experience within a HR function and worked my way through the various options, doing courses, support from CIPD, to get where I am today. So we expand our workforce dependent on fluctuations within the industry. Our main aim really is attracting new talent to the business and new skill sets. The way we do that is via our agile recruitment process. It's responsive, and it really varies for the roles that we're recruiting against. So the specialist roles, we go down different avenues. We use specialist recruitment agencies, we have targeted marketing strategies for that, using LinkedIn, our own careers platform, and all the other social media platforms that we can use to promote that recruitment. And obviously we encourage all of our employees to spread the word of LISI. It's a great place to work. So our normal interview process consists of an assessment centre. Normally there's a light-hearted team activity. The main aim of that is to make them relax. When they come then to the next stage of the interview, we get the best out of them, and they're rewarded for that, obviously. Okay, it's really exciting at the moment. We have the launch of the new Smart Factory project, which involves new machinery, new technologies, a different way completely of working in the industry, really modern aspects. And we are one of the first in the group to bring this line in. So there will be some opportunities, really exciting opportunities. We also have obviously the business needs, apprentices and vacancies, the more technical roles, production operators for example, which are all available on our careers website.
I started with a company almost 16 years ago as a machine operator. After I was in that position for about 2 years, I applied for a further education sponsorship and I was successful. So following year I was able to go to the university, and I must say that company has been extremely supportive throughout, not only allowing me to go to the university with flexible working hours, but company also agreed to pay for my tuition fees, which was a really good help at the time. After I graduated from university, I moved into a supervisory role in one of our production departments. Then I was promoted into a senior role within engineering department finally, before moving into my current role as a process development manager. Essentially my role can be broken down into 2 main elements. The first one is about people, so this is where we focus on ongoing development of our engineers and it also involves supporting them throughout their project. So this could, for example, be advising them on the technical specification of the new automated line that we need to bring in. And the second big part of my job is about technical side, and that's hands-on leadership and management of our smart factory project. Our smart factory project is highly unique and innovative, and I suppose everybody can say the same thing. The reason why I believe this is the case is when we were putting our technical specifications together and we outlined the needs and the technologies that we need to bring in, there was actually nobody in the world that could just say, I've got the right machine for you. These things have to be developed bespoke for our needs in order to achieve the goal of highly automated production environment.
Been here 5 years, and then after about 6-7 months I got a promotion to a grade 3 job as an IVD operator, so that's great. I was doing that for the last, say, 3.5 years, and then, like I said, I've been a backup site leader now for the last 6 months, so the progression's been really well. It's done really well. All the guys and ladies behind the scenes, I get on really well with everyone. I feel like I'm quite a friendly person, so it's really enjoyable, and the working environment is really good. It's not just like you expect a factory just to be you're operating a machine. It's not like that. We're kind of engaging into like a good family. So yeah, everyone's really supportive. The guy, like I said, the people behind the scenes, you get on really well. It's not just a case of you come to work, you go home, and that's it. You have a communication with them outside of work. It's great. I get quite a lot of people coming up to me asking questions and kind of trusting what I say and trusting my opinion moving forward, going on to the Works Council. So yeah, it's enjoyable.